Sunshine, sunshine. Are you looking for an Airbnb here in Nakuru with a lake view? In Naka? Well, we got you. We have this 2-bedroom Airbnb located here in Naka, in one of the most executive and prime estate here in Nakuru called Naka. Ukitoka hivi kwa mlango, you see the lake. So now, let me show you. Let me give you a house that we have a lake view indeed. So from the door here, just look at that. Can you see the lake? That is the lake from here. And then look at the curtains, you know, classic vibes. And then we have the seats right there. Very classy, very demure. So we have the dining there. We have this 3-seater, and we have 2-seaters. This 1-seater, this 2-seater, and this 2-seater right here. And then the theme color, we have beige. Look at that. Look at the carpets matching with the throw pillows here. Then we have this coffee table right here. And oh my god, this place, you guys are gonna love it. We have beautiful chandelier right there. The windows are large enough to allow natural light inside. And you know, it is a cool place for you to come and enjoy this holiday with your family and friends. This Christmas, where are you going? This is the dining that can comfortably accommodate 4 people right here. As you can see. Very nice. So this is my phone. Let me remove it. Look at that. Look at the details, guys. Look at that. And then we have this aesthetic flower just to make the place look natural and beautiful. Look at that wall there. We have a TV, and then we have a TV stand right there, and the tile work. It's just a cool place for you to come here and enjoy yourself. So this holiday season, if you're looking for somewhere to come and enjoy, this is the place. So let's go to the kitchen. Look at the kitchen from here. We have this fridge here, this Mika brand fridge, as you can see. And then we have the microwave. And then we have the kettle. Then we have sugar, salt, coffee, all in one place. And then we have this beautiful mat here. And then we have the cooker, just like that. Look at that. And then we have a double sink, clean double sink. And then we have utensils here. And then we have cutlery here. And more spoons on that end there. Then we have this beautiful mat here. And then we have upper storage on this end here. Look at that, beautiful. So that's the kitchen, and from the kitchen you can be able to see there the living space and the dining. So that's how it looks like. Look at that, beautiful. So if you're looking for somewhere to come and bring your family, friends, this is the place to be. Come enjoy with friends. This holiday, Christmas is all about family and friends. And it doesn't have to be Christmas. If you as well, you want somewhere that you can chill while you work, you can still come here. We have that decor right there. We have that one. And then we have the remotes. Then we have the TV here, which is a Samsung TV. Just for you to feel comfortable while at it here. So it's a beautiful place. And then here in the dining, we have this beautiful aesthetic flower here. Guys, this is the entrance to the 2 bedrooms. Now this is we have this beautiful mat here that leads you to the bedrooms. And before we go to the bedrooms, we have the common washroom right here, which is spacious. You won't believe. Look at that. So this is the common washroom right here. Very, very beautiful. And then we have slippers. So you don't have to carry slippers, but if you want to carry yours, you can still, but we have more than enough. Then we have this mat here, leading to our first bedroom, which is master. Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. Look at that. Green in color as well. And the lighting is more than enough. Warm light. We have warm light, and then we have enough storage for the closets. And then I had some guests who were inquiring about the mirror. So you have a mirror here where you can be able to see yourself as you prepare maybe to check out or just to go somewhere, so you can check yourself. We'll let it here. Yeah, so we have this mirror. This mirror, you can be able to see yourself full. It's a full mirror. So look at that. And then we have an iron box here. And we have more storage on this end here. And then let me show you the lighting. Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now.